In this video, I'll show you how to mirror laptop screen to Samsung Smart TV wirelessly. You can wirelessly mirror your laptop screen to a Samsung Smart TV using built-in Windows features. First and foremost that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open your device. Now on your device, go ahead and head over into the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen and click on the Settings button. On your settings, go ahead and head over into the System tab. Now under the System tab, you'll need to make sure that you have enabled all of the necessary settings under the projecting to this PC, casting for your device to your TV. Now once you have set that up, you'll need to click on Windows plus K on your keyboard, and then the right side of your screen, you'll be able to find all of the available devices wherein you can connect your laptop to. So you'll need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network with your TV, and you need to make sure that both devices are compatible to Miracast. Now after that, you'll need to go ahead and click on that TV under the connection list, and you need to accept the connection request on your TV, and your laptop screen should now be mirrored to your TV. That's basically how you can mirror laptop screen to Samsung Smart TV wirelessly. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.